Hugh Glass, the man who crawled. The Betrayal. South Dakota, 1823. The wilderness does not forgive mistakes. Hugh Glass, a seasoned mountain man, lies on the forest floor. He is a mass of torn flesh and shattered bone. A grizzly bear has ripped his life apart. His comrades, Fitzgerald and Bridger, look at his mangled body. They think he's a corpse that just hasn't stopped breathing yet. They take his rifle, his knife, and his bride, and they leave him in a shallow grave. They leave him to die alone. But they forgot one thing. Hugh Glass isn't finished. The first crawl. He wakes up in the dirt. Cold. Broken. He cannot walk. His leg is a twisted mess. His back is open. Maggots already beginning to clean his wounds. He doesn't scream. He just breathes. In and out. He begins to crawl. 200 miles of wilderness lie between him and the fort. He drags his body through the mud, inch by painful inch. He eats raw rattlesnakes. He finds a fallen elk and waits for the wolves to finish, so he can gnaw on the bones. He's no longer a man. He's a ghost driven by a single burning flame. Revenge. The fire of hatred. Winter's coming. The rivers are turning to ice. Every morning he has to peel his frozen skin off the ground. But his anger keeps him warm. He imagines the look on Fitzgerald's face when a dead man walks through the gates of the fort. He crawls through the territory of the Icar, moving like a shadow in the high grass. He finds a drowned tree to sleep in, listening to the scream of mountain lions in the distance. He is an outcast from the world of the living, wandering the border of the afterlife. The ghost returns. Months later, the gates of Fort Kiowa Creek open. A creature stumbles in. He is covered in scars. His clothes are rags of animal skin, and his eyes have seen the bottom of the grave. He finds the man who left him. But when he looks at them, the fire of revenge turns to ash. He has outlasted the bear, the mountains, and death itself. He takes his rifle back, not because he needs to kill, but because he has earned the right to live. He is Hugh Glass, the man who refused to stay dead.